one of my trader friend asked me a very interesting question. Sir, why do you always trade in these hedge strategies only like iron condor, iron fly, or calendar spreads? So my only reply is there can be three kinds of markets. One is which is a very range bound market. So these strategies work really well in this range bound markets. Second possibility is market can become unidirectional. It can keep on going up by 500,000 points, or it can keep on going down by 500,000 points. In those cases also these strategies work wonderfully well. Your capital is safe and you can still generate some good profit. Third condition is that market can show a very zigzag kind of a movement. Market goes up by 500 points and it doesn't go down by 500 points, it goes down by 1000 points. Those are the most difficult trades to be handled. But then if you're not trading in these hedge strategies, then also those trades become very, very difficult to handle. So I definitely prefer these strategies basically because they give me a lot of peace of mind and lot of safety. Now, the second question which generally comes, sir, you are teaching us about these monthly strategies. Can we do the same strategies in weekly also? In today's video, I am going to show you how to do an iron condor in a weekly setup. And we are trying to record certain weekly setups for iron condor. All those who have already taken our iron condor workshop or who have enrolled for our iron condor course, we will be sharing few back testings with them without any cost. If you have still not enrolled, you can still enroll. Now, let me take you to a backtesting software. And I am sitting at 11th March at morning 9:30. 11th March because 10th March was the expiry day and 11th March is the first day of the new week. Let us try to create a strategy based on similar principles, whatever we learned in our monthly strategies. Let us say I am trying to make a iron condor here. So what I will do, maybe I will go few points down and I will sell this put, which is around 34 delta, and I will buy a protection at 100 points only. I'm just trying to see whether these strategies give you profits in weekly cases or not. And then I'm selling this call and I'm buying this call. So if you see what we have created a trade where my maximum profit can be 3834. My maximum loss can be 2665. Unless and until I do any adjustment, my maximum loss cannot go beyond this 2665. Is it a less loss? No, it is not a less loss. It is around 3% of whatever is the margin used. And in weekly trades, things can go haywire very fast. So yes, definitely weekly trades can be slightly difficult to handle also. This is also not a very stable market scenario because in March, we know what happened because of geopolitical tensions. Markets moved like hell, right? So let us see whether this trade will work in our favor or not. And one trade is taking approximately 87,000 rupees. So let me say I have 5 lakh rupees and I will trade for 5 lots. Welcome to another video by the Option School, and this is your friend Pradeep Singh. In this channel, we talk about very safe option trading hedge strategies and best possible adjustments. You can join our WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. We provide you a pre-market report every morning. Let us now see how this trade pans out, whether it will be a good trade. If I am required to do any adjustments, definitely I will do that adjustments also. As of now, if you see, 23,941 is my lower break-even point, which is here, and 24,550 is my upper break-even point. Market is at 24,238. So from spot of the market, I am safe around 300 points on the upside and almost you can say around 300 points on the downside also, which is a stable trade. And generally, you do not expect that, okay, even if market is moving big, it may not move by 600 points in a weekly trade. Compared to a monthly trade, in a weekly trade, obviously we will be okay with a lower range because market has only 5 days to make any big moves. Let me now move slowly and see what happens to this trade. Let's move by 2 hours first. Okay, nothing much has happened, although market has gone down a bit and it is giving me a small loss. Now, since it is very close to my break-even point, let me move by a smaller time period, 30 minutes. Okay, is almost touching my lower break-even point. Let us see. Next 30 minutes, no, it is not. Okay, now it is 1 o'clock and it's again touching the lower break-even point. Let us see. At 2 o'clock, it is almost crossing the lower break-even point. Let us see what happens next. Nothing happens at. Okay, now if you see at 3 o'clock, the market has broken the lower break-even point, and this is the point where we should be doing some adjustments. Although you see the trade is not losing any money for me, trade is still giving me a very little bit of profit, which most probably will be taken by some brokerage or some STT, etc., etc., if I square off the trade. So it will be a very neutral kind of outcome. But let us see, can we do any adjustments here? What can be the adjustments? So before I show you the adjustment, I request for better reach and visibility, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks in advance. Now, if you see, my call which I sold at 135 has now become 81 and its delta has changed. So I initially sold a delta of around 31. So there can be multiple kinds of adjustments. One of the adjustment is that, okay, if my delta, which was 0.34 or 0.31 in the beginning, has fallen to 0.20 and trade is breaking the break-even point, I should readjust my trade. So what I will do, I will scare off this trade, take the profit in the call side, go again to see where is around 30 delta. 24,200 is around 30 delta. So I will sell this call instead of my original call of 24,500. Now what has happened, market wherever goes on the downside, I am pretty safe, right? If market goes down, there is no issue to me. If market goes up, definitely there can be a big issue. Now, if you see, this is the point which is around 24,200 or 24,180. This is the point where I should be very cautious in case there is a reversal in the market. So weekly trades, you have to be very active. Initially, we know this was a non-directional strategy in which if market stays in a range, it can give me profit. But now with this one adjustment, what has happened, that this trade has become very, very safe for the down move. The trade is not so safe for the up move, but then this is a very calculated risk. Where is market now? Market is 23,872. Where is my reversal point? Practically, this is the reversal point, which is around 24,340. So 24,340 minus 23,872 is roughly around 500 points. So I can expect that, okay, market may not go up by 500 points. But if I have any kind of fear that, okay, market can go up by 500 points, then I should be exiting the trade right now. Or maybe I can shift my buying slightly lower to reduce the upside risk. So let us see next 30 minutes. Next day market has not gone up and I am making good 12,740 rupees in this trade, which is more than 2.1% of whatever is the margin used. And here you can see the margin used also increase. Why? Because VIX increased. The volatility has increased drastically, and that is why the required margin has also increased. If you see here, my maximum profit is 14,982. Already I am making 12,740. I can be closing this trade, or if I want to continue in the trade, definitely I need to reduce the risk in the trade. So how can I reduce the risk in the trade? Maybe I will scare off this buying 24,600. Let me close this and I will do a buying which is more closer to my selling. I'll buy something like 25,000, 24,350. Now with this, see my blue line range. My blue line range is brilliant, and on downside I can still make money. Only on upside, if market goes to these levels, I can definitely make a lot of money. But if market further goes down, I will not make any more money, right? So I'm making 12,740. At this point in time, I can take a decision whether I want to close the trade or I still want to stay in the trade. One of the decisions which I generally prefer to take at such a juncture is that, okay, let me book 3 lots of this trade. More than 50% I should book because I am getting a good profit. Once I book more than 50% of the trade, my overall risk in the trade reduces considerably. And now only 2 sets are open. Nobody can take away any money from me. Only 2 sets are there, and there is a point where I can make huge money. And even if market goes up, there is not going to be any loss. Can I increase my profit at some point in time? We will see if that is possible to do. We will definitely do that also, right? Now let us move by another 2 hours. Let's see. It's only Thursday, just 2 days, and now my trade is giving me some profit. Okay, which is again okay. Markets are pretty much stable, and if I see for 30 minutes now, let us see. So market is falling only, and if you see now what is the outcome, I have only 19 rupees and 13 rupees, so only 6 rupees in this trade. I can scare off this trade also. If market goes down, I am making profit. If market goes up, I will still make profit. So it's all about how I am anticipating the move in the market, right? So I have done few adjustments. One of the basic adjustment was that, okay, I brought my call down and converted the trade into such a trade that, okay, even if market falls, there is not going to be any loss. And then I locked my profit, right? This is the way you can handle your trades in a much better way if you're doing a weekly trade. Now, is this kind of a weekly iron condor possible every time? I will say not at all. Why this was possible in this kind of a week? Basically because VIX was very high and premiums were very good, which allowed us to create a iron condor in weekly expiry also. But in general, you get this kind of a space and time to adjust the trades in monthly iron condors only, right? We have recorded 3 workshops. One is for iron condor, one is for iron fly, one is for calendar spread. We have shown you exact entry, exact adjustments, and exact profit locking framework in these 3 workshops with 12 months of back testing. Definitely, we'll record few iron ponders for weekly trades and share it with all of you who have enrolled for iron ponder workshop or who have purchased that course. If you wish to enroll for any of these courses or all of these courses, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. Another good thing is if you want this kind of a simulator free of cost, you can open your account with the broker with whom we are also trading. In that case, a free simulator is available and you need not spend any money on buying any simulators. If you want to open the account, just click on the link given in the description. Leaving you with another very interesting adjustment video. Hope you will like it. Do subscribe to the channel. Do like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.